Welcome to Paz Yachts, your trusted source for quality cruising vessels and expert guidance on yacht ownership in Mexico. Subscribe to our channel for the best boat deals in the Sea of Cortez. Today, we're showcasing a 2005 Tiara 3600 Sovran, a cruise-ready express yacht that blends luxury, performance, and peace of mind. Lovingly maintained and thoughtfully upgraded, this vessel is turnkey and already located in one of the most desirable cruising grounds in the world, La Paz, Mexico. Up top, the deck is clear and functional, starting forward with an electric anchor system and a stainless single roller setup. The deck offers 5 hatches, 4 portholes, and a center companionway, providing ample ventilation and emergency egress. Stainless bow rails and stanchions run to midship, and the foredeck provides easy, secure access. The cockpit is generously sized and shaded by a full bimini covering the aft cockpit, providing excellent protection from the sun. Also includes a custom mount for a gas grill, perfect for outdoor meals, along with a dedicated outboard motor bracket for added utility. All stainless steel work has been professionally fabricated and installed, ensuring durability and clean aesthetics. A standard transom leads to the integrated swim platform with a large storage area and a boarding ladder. The forward cockpit features a spacious L-shaped settee to port, perfect for relaxing, while the helm station to starboard includes seating for 2, hydraulic steering, engine controls, full gauges, and navigation electronics. In 2023 and 2024, all original Raymarine electronics were replaced. These upgrades include new radar, twin chart plotters, 2 multifunction displays, and a new VHF radio, offering state-of-the-art navigation and communication systems ready for offshore cruising. Powered by twin Cummins 8.5 turbo diesels, 490 horsepower each, she cruises comfortably at 27 knots and can top out at 31. Whether you're island hopping, fishing, or exploring hidden anchorages, this Tiara delivers. Below decks and full forward is a comfortable V-berth with hanging lockers and storage underneath. Aft of that is the main salon with a large L-shaped settee and dining table to starboard and a straight settee to port. Further aft to starboard is the galley, equipped with a 2-burner electric stovetop, under-counter refrigerator, microwave, and stainless steel sink set in Korean countertops. Refrigeration work was professionally completed in 2023, including a full overhaul of the Isotherm Cruise 130 refrigerator and the conversion of the cockpit icemaker into a freezer, adding serious provisioning flexibility. All 3 Dometic air conditioning units were also serviced, ensuring reliable climate control throughout the vessel. Across from the galley to port is the head, with an integrated sink, vacuum flush toilet, and enclosed shower. Fresh water is delivered by a 12-volt pump, and the electrical panel is conveniently located on the center bulkhead. The interior is finished in a teak and fiberglass blend, with wood supports, overhead rails, and ample natural light and ventilation from the deck hatches and the companionway. The mechanical space is cleanly isolated beneath the cockpit, keeping systems easily accessible and separate from the living area. This Sovran features numerous recent upgrades, from modernized systems and electronics to structural and comfort enhancements. Her maintenance is current, her systems are dialed in, and she's ready for extended cruising or spontaneous weekend escapes. Located in a transferable slip in La Paz, this vessel is already where you want to be, surrounded by pristine anchorages, year-round cruising, and endless adventure. If you're looking for a Tiara 3600 Sovran for sale in Mexico, don't miss this opportunity. Contact the team at Paz Yachts today and let us show you how easy it is to make yacht ownership in Mexico a reality.